lezi zinto lezi uma thina ke singazikhulumi sokhuluma la nginento engiyibiza ukuthi izamzam ngiyikhiphile ngangiyilande ngabuya nawe de ngibuya eIndia ngoba ngadlula eQatar ngahlanganisa yona yathi mina ihlangana ngayiKorea ukuthi abayiKorea ngaqhubeka mina ngaye eIndia ngoba eIndia ayikho izamzam thereafter kunabantu abafuna izamzam umuntu osuke nani 1000 uma uzoyisebenzisa ke yona ifuna uthole ujulo einyosi sikhipha nge1000 kuzoba khona ke abantu abathi babudokotela sikuzwile ukhuluma ngothanda abantu wemali sisengakwazi ukuthola njengoba usuthi usovalile into eyenzekayo ke le this video angazi uzoyibona nini but okusala uzoyibona and ukubona le video it's a last video to see kababa udokotela till 2026 if he has allowed because kunento eziningi thina on the ground that we plan but approval ingabi khona not everybody maybe myself God will never allow me to make another video because uzobe esengibizile kunabanye futhi afuze ngabe bazoyibona ama video ami uzobe bengekho and then you cannot persecute God for being God. He is too holy to be persecuted. He doesn't persecute us either for sinning before him. Nanso into ithi ngiphethe ke uthanda abantu wemali abantu abathi bafuna uthanda abantu abano 2700 and 110 rand uzokwazi ukuthola uzofaka iorder lakho sikuthumele but uthanda abantu wakhelwe umuntu osuke efuna imali kuphela if uthi wena lento against yona this is 80000 wena ubona ngathi ku wrong uthi ube nemali into ebalekile kuwena ukuthi ube nenkomo ezinombendeni ezobulawa foot and mouth disease. That is a problem that we are facing. Yes, but since 1992 December, I was a father. 1992 December was already a father of a boy. From ingane ayithola kuNomusa wakasikhosana kwakuthiwa so wasePankuku. Endaweni yaseMpendle phesha kwenzinga. Walapho ke intombazana engathola ingane kuyena. 1992 I was already a father. Wena wawungakanani ngaleso sikhathi? Wona 7 years nje usungidelela nje manje. Uthi baba dotela yiwa lo dotela. Yeah. Ezinye izinto ufuna sizikhulume nesizibonga. Ufuna sizibuke. Ufuna sizibuke ngoba ezinye izinto zingenzela ukuthi namhlanje senginengane umfana futhi from my firstborn Tomazana ngithola ingane umfana futhi because that boy he was wasted 1993